Hey dolls, so I'm back and this is going to be a video about my Apple Watch and the bands, how I customize my Apple Watch, different ways that you can make it your own and it just doesn't look simple like everyone else's Apple Watch. So the Apple Watch that I have is the Series 3. I did do an unboxing as well as with my iPhone X. So if you want to see that, I will link it down below for you dolls. So this is the box that it came in. I'm not going to go through all of that because we already know what comes in the box. This is my Apple Watch right here. Right now I do have Versace as my face. And as you can see, I do have a blinged out bezel that is silver and then a silver band on. Just start off with what's on my watch right now. So this silver bezel is from eBay. I will put the seller that I purchased from down below. I will tell you guys her info as well because I have a note from her right here. On here it says emetaljury.com, or you can search emetaljury on eBay as well. I always purchase through eBay. I didn't even know she had a separate website. But I have both of my bezels from her. So I'm going to show you guys. Like you've seen, I have the silver one with the diamonds in it. It's not real diamonds, of course. And then I also do have the rose gold one. And I'm also waiting for her to get the gold one in stock so that I can get the gold one. And then I'll have all three colors. And then I can, you know, wear it with any watch that I want to. Originally, I purchased the rose gold thinking that the rose gold would be okay and it would match with every band and you wouldn't really be able to tell. But after I got it, I was like, okay, whatever. I'm just going to invest and get the other colors because I'm literally going to be wearing this watch all the time. And I want to switch it up and make it match for different outfits, different jewelry and accessories that I'm wearing. So right now I have the silver and the rose gold. And like I said, I'm waiting for her to restock on the gold one. So she'll be contacting me within the next few weeks so that I can purchase that one as well. But I wanted to just go ahead and do this video because all of the bezels that I have that will look exactly the same, just in different colors. Also, this band that I have on is like the Milanese band and you can adjust it. It has a magnet in it and this is from eBay. So for this band, I will put the link down below where I purchased mine from. I just purchased the band alone, but they do have some on the site that comes with a faceplate, not the bezel. Well, some come with the bezel one, but some of them come with like a regular silver faceplate or gold or whatever color you're getting. So if you want to get the faceplate and the bezel, if you want to get the faceplate and the watch band, you can do that as well. And just make sure whenever you're purchasing online, you do get the watch band that fits your watch because they do sell for 38 millimeters and 42. So all of mine are the 42 millimeter ones. And I did purchase some Milanese bands in other colors. They all come in bags like this. Or at least from the seller that I purchased from, that's how they came. This is the gold one. And it does have a magnet. And to change out your watch bands, this little part right here and right here slides at the top and bottom. And that's how you change it out. So yeah, that is the gold one. I'm pretty sure you dolls all probably know that. But if you don't know how to change out your watch, there are a lot of videos on it. I don't think it's really necessary for me to make one. So I also got this band. I haven't worn this one at all, but I just thought it was really pretty and fun. So this is how it looks. So this one is like a rainbow, changes colors, and I just thought that was pretty, kind of like an oil slick. I also have the Milanese in the rose gold color. Also from that same seller on eBay, I did purchase some more that look like regular watch bands, but to me these are a little bit kind of manly looking, even though this is like the typical watch band kind of, but they're really thick, kind of manly. I haven't worn these at all yet, but this is the silver one. Also got this in gold as well because I thought the gold would look really like cute, but I haven't worn it yet. It is like really big and flashy. So that is the gold one. Skirt, skirt. Also, I almost forgot that I did also get this one in the rose gold as well. Another tip to you dolls, if you didn't know, like if you have a watch band that you love a lot, like a designer watch band or just any watch band in general, if you really like it, you can change out the ends of it, like where it attaches to the watch, and put the bars on it that will go with the Apple Watch. So you can customize that as well and make it into an Apple Watch band. But I didn't find any bands that I wanted to use, so yeah, I didn't do that. But I also did pick up these as well, and this is like a chain. That's how it looks, and this is the gold one. I haven't worn this one yet either. Mostly, or actually so far, I've only been wearing my Milanese bands because I just find them so easy to put on. Next one that I have is the chain in the silver. So it looks like that. To put it on, it does have the little clasp right there in the middle. In here, this was the band that my watch came with, which is like a really soft dusty pink color. The watch face that I have is the gold color, but it kind of looks rose gold. Also, I did pick up a few of those regular type of face plates or whatever. So this is the first one. I just got them in all the colors, like if I want to be more simple and I don't want to wear my bezeled one with all of the stones in it. So this is the silver one, and it is clear in the middle, so it will protect your screen. And then it's just silver on the sides. I will put all the links down below to where I purchased mine from, but you can search around on eBay and find different sellers, different prices, things like that. So yeah. Also, here is the rose gold color. It still has the little paper in the middle because I haven't used this one at all. And that's how it looks. So these are good to cover your faceplate, just to make sure you don't get any scratches or anything like that. And it also can change the color so that you can match it with your bands. The only thing is, like, I did purchase like a screen protector that just goes on top, like kind of like a phone screen protector, but it doesn't fit. Like, it's not as big as the full face of the watch. So I didn't really care for that because it looked funny. And I find that whenever I'm using the bezel, it's kind of like bigger around the face. So it kind of protects the face where you're not going to hit it. If anything, you would hit the bezel, but not the face. So then also I have the gold one. And the gold ones looks like this. And these are plastic and kind of like sprayed on chrome metallic paint or something. I do wish that these were more like aluminum. So if you guys know if they sell them where they're more like a metal or aluminum, let me know, because I would prefer those. I don't really particularly care for the plastic, but whenever you put them on, it does look really nice and you can't really tell. Also, I did pick up this little thing on eBay as well, so that you can actually take links out of your watch bands if you need to, like those ones that were like regular watch bands. I picked this up to do that. But I did get another one from another company, so I ended up not using this one. Then I also did get some bands from Amazon. These were sent to me. All of the other ones that I showed you, I did purchase myself. So the seller is Wearlizer. So it's Wearlizer. I will put links down below to these as well so that you can check them out. I did pick out the ones that I received, but some of them looked more metallic on the website, or from what I thought. But then some of them actually came looking more like a brushed metal type of color. They're not actually as shiny as I would prefer. So I'm just going to get started. A lot of these do come in actual boxes. So it's great if you want to give for a gift. So this is the first one that I got. And also in there, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is one of those things where you can take the links out. And the ones that they send come like this. I'm not sure if they give these with the bands that need to be, you know, have links taken out, or if they just sent it to me extra. But those worked really good. I found that that one worked better than this. So don't buy one like this. If you're gonna get one like this. And you would think this one wouldn't be as good because it's smaller, but this one is bomb. So this is the first one that I got. I love this one because it kind of gives me the vibes of my normal watch band, because it's kind of like that same color, but you do have the rose gold and it definitely looks more expensive. So this is the first band. So really, really pretty. I love this one. Actual brand on the watch band is Wearlizer. So that's the brand name of the watch bands. And then I also got another rose gold one. This is one of the ones that I was saying is more like a brushed metal instead of like a chrome shiny color. And it does have rhinestones in it. So it's super blingy, but it's definitely not as flashy because It's not like a chrome shiny color. Is that one. I think it's still pretty, but it's not doing it for me. Like, it's not my favorite. So then I also got the same one, and this one is in the silver color, and this one is actually more of that chrome finish, super metallic. This one will be super cute paired with my bling bezel, just to give a lot of pizzazz. And this is how this one looks. The next one comes in a box like this. And this one is really cute as well. It just gives you a different feel for a watch band instead of just being like regular lengths. This is how it is made. This is very girly and dainty. So that's how it looks. Really pretty. This next one that I have is really pretty as well. This is a chain strapped one, but this one is definitely more of that rosy pink color, and it's not like a chrome finish. It's more of that brushed metal type of color. So that's how it looks. It has the chain straps. Super pretty. I still like this one though, because I guess I really just like the rose gold color of it, but it is very rose, so I don't know that it would match any of the faces that I have. And I like mine to kind of coordinate. Like, I don't want it to just look different. So then this next one is the actual gold one, like the silver one that I just showed you. Actually, in the box, they did send a screen protector as well. This one is like a regular little flimsy one. The ones that I had purchased were like the hard plastic or glass ones or whatever. But they're small and they don't really cover the whole face of the watch, so I don't really care for that. But they do come with a face cover, so it's good if you want to use that. And then also I got the same one in the rose color, and this one once again is that brushed metal type of color. So yeah, I'm not crazy about this color. I would prefer for all of them to have like a chrome finish, just because I'm a little flashy like that, and that's what I like. So next I got this one, and this one is silver. I'll take it out. This is how it looks. It kind of has chain straps, but it has a lot of them, and they're really small. So that's how it looks, and it's silver. This one is a little bit shiny, but it's also kind of not as shiny. It's a little dull, but it's more shiny than some of the others. So then I also picked up the same one in the rose gold. You guys know I like to have things in different color options, but this one is that pinky type of color once again in that brushed metal. So that's how that one looks. Also have this one, and this is supposed to be the gold one, but it is a very soft gold, and it's like more of a brushed metal. So that's how it looks. These are still really pretty, but I don't know if I would wear them for myself, because I do like the more chrome metallic finishes. My favorite watch bands, like I said, are the Milanese ones, because they are really easy to put on. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but that's what we're gonna call them, Milanese. So yeah, really pretty. That's it for this video. A lot of you dolls kept asking about my watch bands and my face and everything like that, and I was planning to do this video anyways, but I was trying to wait until I got everything that I wanted to have, which was all of my bezels mainly, because that's like the main thing that I like the most. But the gold one isn't in yet, but you guys get the point. It would just be in the gold color. So yeah, definitely check out the links down below if you are interested in any of these items. You can find these watch bands on Amazon, eBay, and I've also seen them on AliExpress. So those are some sites that I would kind of suggest. AliExpress just takes really long for shipping. And eBay does have a lot of different ones. Sometimes the price may be a little bit higher if you're going to get it in the mail faster, and then the price will be lower if it takes longer to come in. So it just depends. Just kind of shop around and see what you can find. If you guys find any watch bands that you think that I would absolutely love, definitely send me the link so I can check them out, because I still want to pick up some other different ones. That's it for this video on how I customize my watch and all of the pieces that I have. And thank you dolls for watching. Bye dolls.